YouTube just released a massive update that will completely change the way shorts work. Now, every time your short starts playing, it counts as a view, even if someone only watches for a second, or it plays again. This update will literally boost your shorts view count. You'll also see 2 view numbers for each video in your analytics. One shows how many times the short was played. The other shows how many people kept watching after the first few seconds, which is also known as engaged views. This means your shorts can get more views, and you'll actually be able to understand what's working and not working with your shorts, so you can improve much more quickly. Now is the perfect time to start an automated YouTube Shorts channel, and I found the perfect niche for this: AI superhero stories. This channel has over 1 million subscribers from their AI superhero videos, and they're making around $5,700 a month, even though they've not uploaded in a while. And this channel, which is active right now, has just over 290,000 subscribers and makes over $9,000 a month. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make videos in this niche using AI, even if you're a complete beginner with no skills and a low budget. This process is repeatable, fast, and requires no experience in editing, scripting, or design. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to grow, automate, and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video, because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Step 1. Come up with video ideas. The first thing you need is your core idea. I came across this style of videos that I think has a lot of potential. What would superheroes be like as vehicles? This works well because superheroes already have strong identities. That makes them instantly recognizable and relatable to a wide audience. To start, go to Grok and give this prompt. Create a list of 20 superheroes from the 2000s and up. Write only the names of the superheroes without any descriptions. This is your base. Once you have those 20 superhero names, reply to the same chat and ask Grok this: if all of these 20 superheroes had to be vehicles, which one would each be? This will generate a matching list that assigns a vehicle to each superhero. The important thing here is to use vehicles that somehow reflect the hero's personality, powers, or colors. You're not forcing the connection. Grok will suggest matches that make sense based on their traits. Step 2. Generate image prompts. Now, you need prompts to create the images of the vehicles. In the same Grok chat, give this prompt. The more specific the prompt, the more likely the image will look original and compelling. Feel free to save this video so that you can come back to this prompt. Step 3. Generate the images. Go to Ideogram and create a free account. The free plan allows you to generate up to 5 images per week. If you want more, you can create new accounts or upgrade to a paid plan later. In the prompt box, paste one of the detailed prompts you got from Grok. Make sure you select the settings to be aspect ratio 9:16, model 3.0, and keep Magic Prompt turned on. Then click the Generate button and wait for the result. Once the image is ready, download the version you like best. Repeat the process for each of the 20 superhero vehicle combinations. If you want to scale up faster and generate all the images in one go, Ideogram has a batch creation feature. You'll need a paid account for that. To do it, go to the batch page and download their CSV template. Then, go back to Grok and in the same chat, ask it to turn all of your prompts into a CSV format that matches the template. Copy those results into a Google Sheet and download them as a CSV file. Upload it into the batch generation tool on Ideogram and wait for all the images to be processed. Step 4. Edit. Once you've got your 20 images, the next step is to edit them into short videos. For this, go to Canva and create a free account if you don't already have one. Canva lets you add motion, music, and timing in a way that's simple and clean. Upload one image into the timeline and set its duration to 3 seconds. Then, find a transparent cutout of the superhero that matches that vehicle. You can find these on Google by searching for the superhero's name, followed by PNG. Add that superhero cutout on top of the vehicle image and give it a stomp animation. This makes the hero pop onto the screen in a dynamic way. It creates a strong visual impact and makes your video feel polished. Repeat the same steps for all of the other images. One image per scene, one superhero cutout, one stomp animation. Keep it simple but consistent. To make your videos more engaging, you'll also want to add background music. Go to the Hours of Brain Rot playlist on YouTube and pick a track that fits the theme. Download the audio, then upload it to Canva and use it as the background music in your video. The right music gives the video energy and keeps viewers watching through to the end. When you put all the scenes together with good pacing and clear visuals, your video will feel smooth and professional. Download the video once you're happy, and then upload it to your channel. The superhero vehicle format is just one idea. Once you learn the workflow, you can try different themes. You can make fantasy characters into houses, or cartoon characters into fashion designs. What matters is that you find a visual hook that connects with people and use the tools to bring it to life in a way that feels creative and fresh. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. As you can see here, our members go through the 7-day YouTube Starter Challenge and learn how to launch their first faceless YouTube video in just 7 days. One of the most popular free courses here is a YouTube Starter Blueprint that teaches the quickest ways to get to your first $1,000 per month, as well as the tools I use to grow this channel to over $500 per day. This community is a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. What type of superhero videos are you thinking of making? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.